everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I'd share with you some fabrics I've recently bought, what I'm planning on making with them. It is mostly fabrics. I've only bought one pattern recently, which I will tell you about, but mainly I've been buying a lot of fabric. I don't know how I've sort of got so much, but never mind, these things happen. So we'll start with boy stuff. Okay, so one of the things my boyfriend wanted me to make for him was a jacket for his birthday. And his birthday was 3 weeks ago and I still haven't made it, but it's fine. We've been very busy, so he doesn't mind at all. But basically, I bought this black twill fabric to make the main jacket out of. Just like super smart, super comfy, you know, easy to wear. So this is a plain black twill from minervacrafts.com, and I'm really happy with this. And to go with it, he wanted it to be a warm jacket, so I'm going to do the lining in this grey polar fleece. It's super snuggly, so I sort of wish that I was making a little blanket for myself, but it is going to be the lining to his jacket, so there's that. Again, plain grey from Minerva Crafts, but you know, boys like plain dark colours, so easy. Okay, so fabric for myself. The first thing I got is this sort of like plain white textured jersey. Now I say textured, it's not really textured, but on one side it is slightly sort of dimpled, is that the right word? It's just textured on one side and smooth on the other. It's just a stretched jersey for t-shirts. Again, I got this from minervacrafts.com. It's just lovely and simple, and I'm thinking of projects now for simple spring summer sort of wardrobe stuff. So I think out of this I'm going to make a couple of Briar tees in different variations. The Megan Nielsen pattern Briar, by the way, just because they're super comfy t-shirts and I need more of them, and I thought some plain white ones I will get a lot of wear out of. The next fabric is a bottle green knitted fabric. I think it's just a jersey knit. It's beautiful. I love the colour, I love the texture of it. It's so soft. I can't tell you how soft this is. But basically, I've bought a pattern that's PDF, so I can't really show you, but I'll put a picture of it here. It's the Nico dress pattern. And I can't remember who it's by. True Bias. It's by True Bias. So the Nico dress pattern, which is like a polo neck dress or polo neck top. So I thought I'd make a couple of variations out of it. So I bought this bottle green jersey knit for that purpose. I'm not sure if I want a dress or a top out of this. I haven't decided yet. I think maybe a dress, like a sleeveless polo neck dress out of this with a split, I think would look really nice. But I haven't decided 100%, so look out for this. The next thing, the bottle green jersey knit was from minervacrafts.com, and this is also from minervacrafts.com. It's like a waffle texture jersey. Because it's waffled, it isn't as soft. It's sort of got that rougher texture. But I quite like it, and it's in this lovely pastel mint green. This is for the same purpose, a Nico. I didn't realise how thick it was, so this is probably like a good spring transition to bring pastel colours, but it's like slightly thicker. So again, either sleeveless polo neck or dress, haven't decided. But I'm quite excited to see how this turns out, because I haven't ever used a textured fabric for something like that before. So yeah, I'm excited to see if this works or not, and I just like the colour. I mean, it might wash me out a bit because I'm so pale, but I mean, it's nice, so who cares? Okay, more jersey. I think there's a theme here. This time it's a rib jersey. I think it's the exact same jersey that I put in my last fabric haul video, that I'm going to make the bodysuit, the Madeline Simplicity bodysuit out of. It's exactly the same. It's just in a silver grey rather than like a darker grey. Again, spring summer. I think maybe Briar tees or maybe a Nico polo neck. I haven't decided yet. but I just really like this fabric. It's, again, I think I bought it again because I was so impressed with the quality of the darker grey rib knit. Yes, I still haven't made that bodysuit, I'm sorry. I will do it soon, I promise. And I just really liked it. So when I saw that they did it in a silver grey as well, I thought, well, that's a good sort of staple colour to have in the wardrobe for spring, summer. So I got this one as well. So I'm looking forward to working with that. It's just so soft. I think that's why I'm a bit obsessed with jerseys at the moment, because they're just so soft on your skin. So everything I seem to be making at the moment is in like a soft stretch jersey. But you know, just looking after me old skin. Okay, last thing from minervacrafts.com is this beautiful candy pink viscose. Again, silky soft, really pretty colour, spring, summer, it's perfect, it goes with my lipstick. I'm going to attempt to make, I want to do a hack on the Tilly and the Buttons marigold trousers. I know you're probably sick of me talking about Tilly and the Buttons patterns at the moment because I keep making them, but I'm obsessed. Oh. And if you saw my blog or the Minerva Crafts blogger network, you would have seen my Bettine marigold jumpsuit hack. I made it in Ponte Roma because I wanted like a warm, like secret pyjama sort of jumpsuit. And when I was using the marigold pattern again, I just forgot how amazing those trousers are. And they're so comfortable, so simple to make. And I just really wanted a pair of trousers for the summer. So I'm going to make a pair of marigolds in this lovely drapey viscose, but I'm going to do something to them to make them a bit different. I'm not going to tell you what that is because I am going to be writing about it on the Minerva Crafts blogger network. But I just have this idea in my head. It may not work out, but I have an idea in my head that I want to do, but it does mainly involve the marigolds trousers because they're just really cool. Okay, so the next three fabrics are from myfabrics.co.uk, and as soon as I show you the first one, you're gonna know what they're for. They sent me, you know, they do those emails, like weekly emails with like what's new and what's there and new collections and stuff. They sent me one that was like, oh, new cotton jerseys, and I was like, oh, well, I'll just have a look. And I ended up buying loads. So, well, 3 to be exact. The first one, oh, it's a lovely dove grey cotton jersey with tiny little white bunny rabbits jumping all over it. And some of the bunnies have like a little coral neckerchief on. It's just so sweet. I absolutely love this fabric. Basically, as you can probably guess, these are all for my best friend's baby. I can't stop making baby clothes, she says, as she's not at home and working from a dining room table with no patterns whatsoever. But as soon as I find which box my baby patterns are in, I'm going to start again making more stuff, because I haven't made any baby stuff in a few weeks now, and I honestly feel lost. Like, I need to make baby things. It's my calling. Like, I just absolutely love it. And then my best friend was like, oh, she's growing out of some of the things you made her because she's getting so big now. So I'm like, oh, I can make more things. Okay, this is great news. So bunnies is the first one. Oh, I just love it. So this is like a, I don't want to say baby pink, it's more like a peachy pink. So it's got like a tone of orange in it, which I really like, and it's got these adorable alpacas all over it, or llamas. Alpacas, llamas, one of those. But I just absolutely love this design. I thought it was really cute, really pretty, and with a modern twist. It's not like pink with butterflies, do you know what I mean? It's something a bit different. So I know my best friend's not a pinky person, but I thought she might like this once it's made into something really adorable. So I'm really looking forward to using that one. Okay, the last one. I don't know if this is my favourite. I think it is my favourite, but oh. So this one is a turquoisey blue with blue, navy and sort of purpley leaves and flowers on, and it has sloths and toucans all over it. Again, super cute, girly, but without being like pinky pink. And I just thought this would be so cute as little leggings or vest tops. So I got that one as well because I couldn't resist. I mean, myfabrics.co.uk do have probably the greatest range of patterned cotton jerseys. So if you are also into making baby clothes, definitely go check them out. I mainly buy all my patterned baby clothes jerseys from them. I normally buy plain jerseys. Well, actually that's a lie. I do buy plain jerseys from them as well, but I do buy a lot of plain jerseys from Minerva Crafts because they always have them in stock. But if you want designs like this that are really, really different, then I definitely check out myfabrics.co.uk because I use them a lot. I mean, you know me, you've probably seen, if you're a regular watcher, you would have seen a lot of these fabric hauls, and they're probably the only two places I ever buy fabric from. I think they just have everything, and they always change their stock quite regularly, so you know, there's nothing that you get bored of. But yeah, I definitely check out My Fabrics for pattern jerseys because they're just so cute. I just love them. Okay, so that's it for this week's video. I'm sorry again, it's a short one and it's not a sew along. A lot of you have been asking me and messaging me on Instagram asking for more sew alongs. I'm really sorry, I just don't have the room or the capacity to do sew alongs while we're staying. I mean, the dining room table is sort of like my work room and it's a mess and you can't, there's no room whatsoever. But my new studio in the new house is looking amazing. It's being plastered tomorrow. When we're still like a few weeks away, not going to lie, I'm as frustrated as you are. Like, I'd love to be filming sew alongs every week. So I'm sorry this video is late and it's not a sew along, but I really hope you enjoyed looking at some fabrics that I've been buying. I realised that I didn't actually show you the pattern that I'm using for my boyfriend's jacket, so if you are interested, I'm pretty sure it's a Simplicity one. I could be lying, but I'll put it in the description below if you are looking for a very sort of simple jacket to make for your man. I don't normally make men's clothes, so I'm a bit sort of nervous about starting it, but reading the instructions is very, very straightforward. So I'll link it below if you're interested, and if I can find a lot of these fabrics that are still on Minerva Crafts or My Fabrics, I will try and link them below as well. But yeah, check out my blog or my Instagram if you want to keep a bit more up to date with me, because I know that I'm not sort of being very regular with my videos. But hopefully we'll be home soon in a few weeks in our lovely new house without holes in the walls and floors, maybe even some windows. That would be great. And yeah, and then I can bring out sew alongs every week. I can make baby clothes all the time, start making clothes for myself all the time. I'm very excited about that. But yes, hopefully I will see you next week. No promises, I'll see what's going on. Have a lovely week. I hope you're not stuck in the snow, and I will see you soon. Have your handmade, everyone.